I'm sweating. It's hot. GM, what is going on? Every time I get a brand new GM, I get a brand new problem. I'm serious. It's almost like every single new GM SUV, big or small, has an issue. And this one is no different. 2026 Chevrolet Traverse. The complaint on this one, check engine light, stutter, it feels like a misfire. And with all the new problems coming to light, it's really difficult to tell what exactly is causing the issue, where do you go, your sense of direction. So what do you do? One tip that I recommend is that when you are working on a vehicle that you have not seen a problem before, or you're just really unsure, honestly, it's not a bad idea on anything you touch these days. Take a look at TSBs. In this case, we found 26NA171. This bulletin outlines rough idle, sputtering, lack of power, you name it. The fix for this is the positive crankcase ventilation oil separator. Say it with me. Say it 10 times fast. I still say PVC. This Traverse has 12,112 miles. Brand new car. Literally brand new. These bulletins can really save you a lot of time and frustration. New cars, new problems. Let's get into it. The main thingy with a new thingy, and then the car should be happy with thingies. Now that we're all strapped up, let's get some of this stuff out of our ways. Oh my goodness. Malfunction. Let's try to drop anything. In a book or yeah, they're tight. Tight. Come here, cart. Ciao. So the name of the game is to take off as much stuff as possible. Oh, we got more stuff or no? Look at that sneaky stuff. Excuse me. Good habit, put that back on there so in case anything does decide to fall down, it doesn't fall too far. Have I told you guys how much I just love dropping stuff? Seriously though, magnets are your best friend. Oh, come here. Yes, nothing like taking apart a brand new car. It's already broken. GM, but there she be. There she be. She in there. I'm gonna try to sneak it out the best I can. Usually, I will take out the PCM so I can have my big hand down there. Probably gonna do that. One thing to watch out for on these is when you're going back together, even though she'll lock into place, like lock back in, it won't be making contact. So that's something to think about, right? So a lot of times you'll get dirt and stuff in here and it makes it more difficult to do. But since the car is brand new, hasn't had a time or a chance to do that yet. So I'll show you something else that is nice about these, the chow. So these are all color coded, just like these are color coded. So you really can't, well, you really shouldn't be able to get these mixed up, but hey, you do what you like. Now we can see a little better. I wonder if my big head is in the other frame. Probably so. Looks like we got some 8s. I'm pretty sure it's about 6 8s, maybe 7, I don't know. At the bottom. Ow. Stay there. You see this thing right here? I need it gone. I want to be able to move this hose. Clutch strut. Now we got some wiggles. Be careful when you do wiggles on hard lines. bends, increases, and coolant lines do not mix. Let's get some of these 8s out here. One of the biggest pains is the back ones because you really can't see much of what you're looking at. I know that you can feel it right now because you can't see much of anything. Thanks, meta glasses. Pro tip, hold pressure against your bolt or nut, take your magnet, remove your thingy thing, and there you go. Voila. We're gonna repeat our trick. Thanks, buddy. Sometimes it's just too big. My hand's too big. Look, it's a mini. Another pro tip that we can do when we're having issues getting bolts out is look at our new one. This is the bolt that is fighting me. So we can look at the new one and we can say where the new bolts are going to be. Let's look at the issues. So what's happening is the diaphragm is either swelling up or just tearing. And I'm sure we'll see something of the sort whenever we get the old one out. Fingers for the win. So that should be all the bolts. We should be able to grab her and just do that. Simple. Nice. So if we look and see, there's the diaphragm torn to shreds. High quality. H2O. So the new one's on your left and the bad one's on the right, obviously. So she's had a full blown out. Haha. I'm going to take our magnet. We're going to find our hole. And we're going to bite our lip and tap your foot and wink your eye. Just in the right spot to get her back in there. And she is in.